If your thermostat is slow to respond to temperature changes, it's probably messing with your comfort and your energy bills without you even realizing it. So, here's the thing. Thermostats can sometimes lag because of outdated firmware. Just like your phone needs updates, your thermostat does too, and keeping it current helps it react faster. Also, check where the sensor is placed, because if it's in a spot that gets weird drafts or direct sunlight, it'll give false readings. Moving it to a more neutral spot can make a big difference. Another tip is to make sure your thermostat is clean and dust-free, since dirt can mess with the sensor's accuracy. If your home has multiple zones, double-check that each thermostat is properly calibrated for its area. Sometimes just resetting your thermostat can fix weird delays. Also, try to avoid stacking furniture or curtains near the thermostat because they block air circulation, which confuses the sensor. And if all else fails, considering a smart thermostat might be worth it because they tend to adjust more quickly and learn your habits over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat delay in responding to temperature changes is ignoring firmware updates, which often include important bug fixes and performance improvements. Just updating can solve a lot of issues. Another common problem is poor sensor placement. If your thermostat sensor is near a heat source like a lamp or a window with sunlight, it will read wrong temperatures and delay adjusting. Moving it away fixes this easily. Lastly, many forget about regular maintenance, like cleaning the device or resetting it occasionally. Dust or glitches can slow down responses, so giving it a little TLC can speed things back up. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right the first time. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making life easier for everyone involved.